I will post my what's up. Okay, what's up? Waiting to reach me out. You with my membership with love. Thank you so much, guys. To see you all as one of my members. Sa nabigyan pa ako ni Lord ng lakas ng patay para mabuhay. You can see sa Big Choppy, I just heard its membership. Yes, if you join my membership with love, I will post here my WhatsApp and you can reach me out. I'm not posting my public my personal account, my personal messenger. Please understand. You look even more beautiful when you cry. Do you want me to? Do you want to see me crying like this? Thank you so much, Carlo. Thank you for hugging me tight, for standing beside me, for not letting me go, for being my loyal members. Thank you so much.